Hello again, everybody. Sharon Ann Klingler back again with another power word for you to open up to spirit and to all of your ancestors. But this one is a trigger word. I call this a trigger word because it triggers you in a very responsive and immediate responsive way to open yourself to the spirit world. And it's the word open. So I'd like you to do this with me now. It's a command word, and I want you to close your eyes and take a deep breath. And just close your eyes and relax and let yourself be open to this experience completely. And as you sit there in a relaxed state, firmly and completely and powerfully declare and say the word open, strongly and firmly, and say it within yourself. Open, and as you do, you open to a spirit who comes up before you right now. Open, and you see a spirit step up to you. With your eyes closed, you see him with your inner vision, your inner seeing, your inner sensing. Maybe you don't see him, maybe you're not clairvoyant, but maybe you get a sensing of this spirit. Say open again, and spirit is immediately there with the click of a finger. Say open to yourself, and there spirit is. This is a command word that opens you to spirit. It doesn't command spirit to be there. Spirit's already there. It commands your focus. Say open with the clear declaration of your intention to open to spirit, and say open again, and there spirit is right before you. Let yourself see who and sense who spirit is before you right now when you say open, and there spirit is right there. Take a moment to see and sense and know the spirit being or beings who come to you. When you say and pronounce and declare, open, see it and sense it right now. And after you take a moment with that, say within you the word open again. And notice if a new person comes. And know that any time, every time you say the word open, even if you're just sitting at your desk and you close your eyes and you say the word open, a spirit will be there in that very moment. Whenever you use the word open, it will command your focus to see which spirit is with you at that very moment. Allow yourself to program this word, open, right now into your lexicon of command words for your understanding of Spirit's presence. Sense Spirit. Sense the Spirit who is with you when you say, open now. And let yourself start to come back now. Open your eyes, still feeling all of the wonderful spirit people who were already there, and you just opened your focus to them. Isn't it fun? Isn't it so much fun to open your focus to all of the wonderful ancestors who are already hanging out with you? I just love it. So thank you for joining me today, and you give this one a try too, and determine whether or not you like the word open or oneness, and you'll be surprised. We're going to be sharing, there's so many of these types of words available to you, command words, command phrases, lifting words, lifting phrases in the book, Answers from the Ancestral Realms. We'll be sharing more with you in many of these different segments, but you can get many, many of them in the book, Ancestors from the Ancestral Realms. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you again soon.